Oh, wow! Purple lighting, that's new! Alright, what's up guys? So, I probably won't have a video out for Monday, mainly because it is Monday, and it's early in the morning. I'm trying to finish the second part of the video right now, and I am clearly I probably won't make it since I'm working today, and I probably will be working really late today. So this video hopefully will come out Tuesday, if Wednesday, I don't know yet, maybe Tuesday like night. But this week will be very hectic because there's a lot of work to do at my job, and I don't know if I'll be able to upload every day, so just letting you guys know beforehand. I'm doing an exhaust, trying to, because I don't know where my mic is, but I'll be using another mic that I have, so hopefully that one works pretty good. I'm going to be putting up the GoPro right here or right here, and we will be driving a little, and that will be the end of the video. So, enjoy. So, I usually go to those self-washes, but this is now open, so I'm going to use this, so it dries. Okay, please select wash this one. Checking credit. Credit accepted. Okay. When's it gonna tell me to go? Okay, we're going. We're going. Finally. I'm waiting for the to go under my car to wash it. Oh. Oh yeah. Clean my car. Hopefully my side skirts don't fall off. Oh, they got new stuff over here. Oh, stop. Break up. Neutral. Shut up. Before I unplug you. And then now to get this car washed. Getting the car washed. I thought I was going to do the rinse yourself, like self wash. But this is open, and this has the air blowers. And that works a lot better, especially when it's 17 degrees outside. So it'll dry the car. It won't let a lot of water freeze on the car, which is kind of bad. But I'm going straight home after this. I'm going to put the car in the garage so that it can dry, because it's around 35 in the garage right now. So the water won't be able to freeze completely in the garage. So I got the option that doesn't have the extreme shine wax, but I guess it's giving it to me. Not really a fan that it's giving it to me, but oh wow! Purple lighting, that's new! Alright, what's going on next? Clear coat protectant. I didn't pay for any of this though. I just got the normal rinse. Maybe he's just doing the same one, doesn't matter how much you pay. I gotta rush home though, put the car in the garage. There's 2 people waiting behind me to get a car wash. There's all the stalls are booked. We're going. Let's see if, oh yes, get this stuff. Whoa, ice fly. Oh no, stuff is frozen already. All right, let's go home, because stuff is freezing. All right, Camille, open the garage up. Open, thank you. Put this on. It's not that frozen. No, it didn't clean all the freaking snow off. Looks way better than before. There's still some snow. There's dots of ice everywhere. Like right here. But this will all come off in here because it'll all melt. I'm gonna put this actually right here. And took this whole thing from under my rear bumper. How huge this thing is. Oh my god. Get out of here. Oh, my hand's freezing. Oh, oh, it's freezing. I really hope my microphone in the rear is picking up the sound, because I really don't know if it is, and it'll really suck if it doesn't, because then this video will be pointless. So yeah. So maybe I'll talk for a little. Yeah, I might talk. So right now I'm going to before work, I'm going to the post office. I gotta ship something for work. Then I have to go to a place called Finzer Roller, which they there are the pops. I've also noticed people are noticing what makes that beeping noise when I get into my car or start my car every time. It's my radar detector. Watch. It's just that sequence it does every time it gets turned on. It just makes that noise. So I gotten so used to it, I don't pay attention that it does that. So when people ask me like, what is that sound? I'm like, well, what sound? My car doesn't sound like anything. And I'm like, oh, it's my radar going off. So that is what it is. For anyone that asks, that's what it is. And mainly the reason why I didn't, one of the more main reasons, because I have like a few days before Monday to actually make a video, but it's just been so cold these past few days. It's starting to get warmer now, so I'll be able to just go outside and make a video. But when it's really, really cold out, I'm not just gonna go outside and film a video. It's freezing outside. It's way too cold for that. I'll get back to that once I get back from the post office. BRB. Oh, you guys were recording them the whole time. Why don't you say something? There it is, see? Alright, time to go to the next place. Who's coming? I was talking about upload. That was like quarter Quarter throttle. Work and again! Do you like that voice crack too? Oh my god, this thing makes me so mad. It's unbelievable. You guys slightly, or at least enjoyed it a little. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoy the Monday through Thursday 4-day-a-week uploads. I don't know, maybe you guys enjoy it, maybe not. I'm not sure. I kind of like doing it because it gives me something to do during the day. But it's up to you guys. If you guys enjoy it, I'll keep doing it. If you guys don't, I'll go back to two-day-a-week uploads. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop the GoPro again, because you know that's how good GoPro mounts are. Yeah, on the outside of my car again. I'm so done. I'm ending the video like this because it keeps hitting my shoulder and it's starting to hurt me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave it a like, subscribe if you guys are new, if you guys enjoy my channel, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. How this GoPro freaking sucks. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
I'm so lost in a world of black seas now, lost in the water.